Hi folks, welcome to Python Masterclass. Myself Shivank. I am the director and the chief data science mentor in Teclov. I am an IIT-Chennai alumni and have more than 10 years of experience with Python programming language. I will be one of your mentor for this particular course.
Hello folks, welcome to Python Masterclass. I am Aparna and I am a data science manager at Teclov. I'll be your mentor for this class. Now, before we begin our journey, let's take a few minutes to understand why start with Python and not any other programming language. Python is a very easy language to learn, even for those who are new to programming. Once you start coding, you will see that it is more or less like broken English, making it easier to interpret. For those who already have the knowledge and experience in programming, you will appreciate the language-specific features of Python, such as object-oriented, interpreted, multi-domain, and portable. Don't worry if you don't understand all of these features and their benefits. Going ahead, these will be explained one by one.